already here in the airport and our flight is about 7:05 a.m. Okay, one sticker. What your baggage? Okay.
Terima kasih.
This is B. Adeline.
We'll be ready shortly.
Wait, no need, no need. The cat don't like. She don't like.
Okay, what happened? What happened?
The kitty like do like this to her.
Cat,
There, she want to play with the kitty.
the kid bite you.
No, the kitty scare her because she want to sit right and like, do like this. We are here in the beach. She don't want to go to the beach. Because our accommodation will open 3 p.m. So we are just here.
Then let's go watch feet and hand. Let's go. А? Она говорит, что хочет сполоснуть ноги и руки.
We want to eat alone, yeah.
Let's go. Okay, you finish your noodle. Finish your noodle. Нам еще полчаса ждать, мам. Я напишу, спрошу, если можно сейчас зачекиниться. Если не разрешат, тогда будет полчаса ждать.
Yeah, already here. Already here.
Yeah, but where's the lobby?
Lobby. Here, this one?
Huh?
Or no? Oh, no. How to go there?
I think we need to ask security guard.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, this one.
Что самое смешное, WhatsApp работает.
We are already here in our place here in Langkawi. So I will give a quick tour. Over here is the main door. From here, have common toilet.
But you know what, again, same issue, don't have a nice room.
Yeah.
Huh?
Have a small room,
Да,
yeah.
зачем? Ты с детьми будешь.
Papa, they have washing machine. Over they have also washing machine here. You
Yeah.
see?
2 units, but no bus stop. With this trip, no luck.
Ah.
No bus stop, yeah.
And this is the small room. Have fan. From here is the kitchen. Oh, they have some filtered water already, or
Yeah.
this one, right? Filtered
Yeah.
water. I wish they have microwave also.
Yeah.
They don't have microwave. This is the fridge. Yeah.
But very this in garbage bin.
Ah, yeah. Big.
Давай, выкладывай, да.
Over here is the dining area. So this is Mama's room. This is our living room. We have balcony over here. It's raining. Nice mountain view pa.
Yeah, that's what I said to mother, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mountain view, yeah.
Like you can appreciate.
Yeah,
And-
like a volcano, right? Like nice, like a volcano, like
Huh?
a Belize volcano.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. Like, and then just in front of us, like we
Yeah,
just
yeah,
open the window and then see already
This
the mountain.
driver said this is the highest mountain in the island.
Uh-huh. And this
Ah,
is
this
the
is-
master's bedroom. And toilet. Have own toilet. The rain just finished, so this is the view, our mountain view. Oh, nice.
А? Ну да, мы сейчас там здесь. Я еще не купался.
And over here is the local house, local people house. Yeah, have Filipino food here. They selling. Wow, totally unexpected from Langkawi. Papa, totally unexpected.
You want to try white one? Take this one and white. You want to try?
Mm-hmm. Wow, we have nice view here. Like while walking from shopping. So we do shopping here. You see, our shopping. Groceries. Our groceries. And we have nice view while walking.
How you? And durian, when will be durian? Fresh durian. They have only frozen, you see, they exist. Only frozen. You can even fall down.
Yeah, Archie, like I thought like
almost
Archie,
fall down.
you will fall down. Oh my god.
Step like this, you see, and like,
Yeah, no, dangerous if like we are with the kids. That's why if we walk with the kids, better watch out this.
yeah,
Or
this
other,
is,
we
like,
don't allow.
super
Because
unsafe.
Adelina can like, how?
Yeah, this is
Her
super
feet like can be trapped.
Yeah, this is super unsafe. Super.
Mm-hmm.
super
Oh my god, I
unsafe.
got scared, Papa. I thought it will
Yeah,
fall
yeah,
down.
yeah, me too.
I got scared.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, now come, let's go.